So today I'll be showing you how to bypass our forgotten password, PIN, or pattern on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So let's say you're locked out of your phone because you can't get past the lock screen password for some reason. Maybe you forgot the password. Maybe that fingerprint that's there is not even yours. How do you bypass that? Now, the easiest way to do this is to erase everything on the phone, and that's going to delete everything on the phone, including that password. Okay, and so you'll have to delete everything and set up the phone afresh. Now, to do that, first thing you want to do is turn off your phone. And fortunately for the Redmi Note 15 Pro, you can simply turn off the phone even without the password. So with the phone off, now you want to boot it in recovery mode. So to do that, you're gonna have to press the volume up and side button simultaneously, like that. Just press and wait, hold. Be waiting for that Mi logo, release, while still holding the volume up button, and this should boot the phone into recovery mode. Now in recovery mode, you're scrolling using the volume rockers, so volume down to scroll down and volume up to scroll up, and then the side button to select something. So you want to go to wipe data and then select that and then confirm. So you want to scroll down and select wipe all data, and then it's going to ask you again, you confirm, and this cannot be undone. Scroll down and select confirm, and that's going to do a hard factory reset on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. So let's just wait. Once it's done, it's gonna say back to main menu. So you want to press the side button, and now since we've wiped all the data, let's go ahead and reboot. Then reboot to system, select that, and now this should take us back to the setup screen, the first setup screen for the Redmi Note 15 Pro. So once it restarts back to the setup screen, you can now start the setup process all over again. Now keep in mind that during the setup process, if your phone had a Google account on it before you did the hard reset, then you're gonna need to provide the password to that Google account to proceed with the setup process. Now Google does this just to make sure people don't steal other people's Android phones. So you might have forgotten your passcode, your PIN or pattern, but you should remember at least the Google account that was on the phone before you did that reset. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.